The world of marketing has over 50 different job titles. It's no wonder it can feel overwhelming when you're just starting out and trying to find the right role for you. But knowing which title best aligns with your interests, your strengths, and your career goals will make a big difference in your job search and eventually career satisfaction. Today, we're breaking down the most common entry-level marketing jobs so that by the end of this video, hopefully you have a clear idea of which positions best align with your strengths and how you can make them work for you. Whether you're looking to find your first job or pivot into a marketing role, stick around. This is your roadmap to finding the right fit in marketing. Let's start with the basics. Marketing assistant. This role is ideal if you're still exploring what area of marketing interests you most. As a marketing assistant, you'd be doing a bit of everything. Think coordinating campaigns, conducting market research, helping with social media, and even organizing events. You'll be in the thick of it, which gives you a hands-on outlook at multiple aspects of marketing. And the best part? You'll get an idea of what you enjoy doing without committing to one area just yet. Next, we have social media coordinator. If you're a social media whiz and love content creation, this might be the right role for you. You'll spend your days managing posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing social metrics to understand what works best with the audience. But here's the thing. Social media is just one part of a broader marketing strategy. So if you're interested in diving deeper into brand messaging, you might look into a broader role later, like a content coordinator, for example. The key to landing this role is to have a solid marketing portfolio. Now let's dive into the content coordinator role, often referred to interchangeably as a content marketing specialist or content marketing coordinator. This role revolves around the art of storytelling and creating captivating content that truly resonates with the target audience. As a content coordinator, you'll collaborate with writers, designers, and video editors to ensure that all content reflects the brand's voice and vision. If you have a passion for crafting and curating content while gaining insights into how brands forge deeper connections with their audiences, this role could be a perfect match for you. Like the social media coordinator, a strong content portfolio is essential here. However, the key difference between these two roles lies in their focus. While the social media coordinator engages directly with the brand's social media followers, the content coordinator oversees content consistency across all platforms to support broader marketing objectives. Now, if you're all about analytics and digital tools, check out the digital marketing coordinator role. You'll likely work on email campaigns, SEO, PPC ads, and tracking metrics across digital channels and even some event coordination. This role is like the jack of all trades of marketing. This is a great entry point if you want a solid overview of marketing and haven't yet decided which specialty to pursue. You'll need to be comfortable with data because understanding audience behavior and measuring campaign success is key here. Think of it as half creative, half analytical. If you're detail-oriented and enjoy numbers, marketing analyst might be right up your alley. Here, you'll dive into data to identify trends, track performance, and make recommendations. It's a bit more analytical and less creative. So if Excel sheets don't scare you and you're curious about consumer behaviors, this could be a solid choice. If you're considering a career in product marketing, an entry-level product marketing role might be a great fit for you. This position typically involves conducting market research to understand customer needs, assisting in defining product positioning and messaging, and collaborating with cross-functional teams to create marketing collateral. Many industries, from tech to consumer goods to healthcare, actively seek product marketing professionals to help promote their offerings. You'd be supporting marketing campaigns, tracking performance metrics, and creating sales tools to empower the sales team. Most entry-level positions require a bachelor's degree in marketing or a related field, and they serve as a stepping stone to more advanced roles like product marketing manager or product manager. If you are passionate about how products fit into the market and want to communicate their value effectively, this is the role for you. Lastly, it's worth noting the role of a communication specialist, which encompasses a broader range of responsibilities beyond social media. While they also create compelling content, they focus on internal and external communications, public relations, and ensuring brand consistency across all messaging channels. So, those are some of the key marketing roles that you'll be seeing when starting out. Each title offers something a little bit different, whether it's creative, analytical, or strategic. But I hope that this video was helpful and that you have a clear understanding of where you fit into the marketing landscape, or at the very least, where to start your job search. Thanks for tuning in and happy job hunting.